Manipur thokliba irang asi political problem ga mari leinaba irang ni security forces dagi lut tawkiba khulai lising mari romasi miyam dagi lokhatriba fawba hingsa gi thodok sing thoki gani haina Eastern Army gi commander Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Kalita na phongdokrai Guwahati Press Club ta pangthokiba interaction program amada General Kalita na aikhoi gi thabakti hingsa gi thodok sing hanthahanaba honaba masong Political problem asigi matang da nakal animak santi oiba warushin ama lakhana bohona bani Indian Army ki ahan ba pandam di mayum da leiba fangdraba mioi sing rescue tawba madi makhoi da mateng pangbani haiki tha taruk helaklaba irang asi loishin ba ngamdaba gi matang da General asina Manipur da leiriba tongan ba community ahum naga maitai amadi kuki sing gi marakta lige asigi issue leiba sisu maram ama oiba yai haina phongdokhi
Aim is very clear, but the directions are very clear to the forces there in the border. The people, common villagers seeking refuge to escape from the conflict in Myanmar are not stopped. They are allowed to come in, and there is a process which is followed in consultation with the local police and the state government of keeping a records of their details, including biometrics. And then thereafter, whenever they are ready, they are sent back. And but while doing that, we have the directions are very clear that no armed cadres will be allowed to come. So any armed people who are trying to get inside are addressed in an appropriate manner. They are not allowed to come.